Hello friends, how are you? All I hope you are all fine. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Lajpat Dotania. Happy Friendship Day to you and all your family members. This video is related to Friendship Day. Date, history, significance and all you need to know about Friendship Day. In English, some words in this article are difficult to say, but I will try my best. Let's start the video. Every year, Friendship Day is celebrated on the first Sunday of August. This year, it will be celebrated on 1st August in India. The day was invented almost 60 years and soon became popular across the globe. While the official International Friendship Day is celebrated on 30 July, many countries like India and Bangladesh celebrate it on the first Sunday of August. From the history to significance, here's a look at all the facts you need to know about Friendship's Day. The origin and history of Friendship Day. The first idea of this day was introduced by the Joyce Hall, founder of Hallmark Cards, in 1920s. However, it was termed as Friendship Day in 1958 by Dr. Ramon Artemio Bracho, who started the foundation called the World Friendship Crusade. It is a global civil organization that propagates world peace through friendship. It was in 2011 when the movement gained official recognition by the United Nations. Why was Friendship's Day invented? The day celebrates the beautiful bond of friendship regardless of gender, religion, and caste. It is believed that during a dinner with his colleagues, Dr. Ramon proposed the idea of Friendship Day. He strongly believed that friendship is crucial to overcome cultural, political, and religious differences around the world. Friendship's Day. A few facts you need to know about. In 1997, the United Nations designated Winnie the Pooh, a financial character, as the ambassador of Friendship Day. The International Day of Friendship was proclaimed in 2011 by the United Nations General Assembly, with the idea that friendship between peoples, countries, cultures, and individuals can inspire peace efforts and build bridges between communities. The first country to celebrate Friendship Day was Paraguay on July 30, 1958. For the 10th anniversary of Friendship Day, Beatles, a rock band, released a song, "With a Little Help from My Friends" in 1967. There's also a Friendship Day dedicated to just women. It is called Women's Friendship Day and celebrated on 3rd Sunday of September. Did you know there's a month just for friendship? Yes, the whole month of February is designated as Friendship Month. Sharing greeting cards and tying friendship bands are some of the popular ways to celebrate Friendship Day around the world. I hope that you will like the information given in this video. Please tell by commenting, share the video as much as possible, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Lajpat Dotania, your friend. Thank you.